Hi, I'm Carolyn and I'm 79 years old and I've been doing facial exercises for over 25 years. And I offer two different kinds of packages for you to learn the exercises. Now, you must establish a foundational build first, in my opinion, and that is that you exercise all 57 muscles of the face and the neck evenly so you get this balanced, even look to your face. You have to develop the muscles in the face in order to create the lift. So, what we do is we have a learning DVD. You can also get it as a digital from my website, but we offer the DVD and it has the full instructions on how to do each exercise so you'll know exactly what you're doing. After you learn them by heart, you're going to lie down and do them, and you can use something called the pacing CD, which I have made for you guys, so that when you lie down, you just listen to my voice and I talk you through each exercise just easily in 15 minutes. So it's never more than 15 minutes. And then that's it. And this is the program. And then after you establish the build, it usually takes about 3 months, you're going to add bonus exercises. For example, your jowls may be hanging a little bit more. Even though the rest of the face is lifting, your eyes may need a little more work. So we offer bonus exercises in order to lift the whole entire face. And it works really well. And it's easy, 15 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week. And that's it.